Perfect.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla Mingo and this video is a hair review. So as you can see, I have my hair. It's wet and I have it over to the side so that you could see my natural hair texture, because the review I'm doing is some hair I got from betterlengths.com. It's a company that makes hair that matches our natural hair texture. And so I got this hair and I want to do the video to show you what it looks like and the installation and everything. I want to show you my natural hair texture, which is probably a 3C with a mixture of 4A in it. And so this is my hair texture wet. However, when it dries, it gets a little frizzy. So the hair that I bought the Afro Kinky. I bought a 20-inch. And it's basically clip-ins. I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to actually add the clip-ins in and style it so you can see how these clip-ins look. So first, let me go ahead and show you the hair itself. So it comes in this beautiful bag. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just beautiful. It comes in this bag. I was so impressed with the quality and everything. So this is what the hair looks like. Very curly, and I haven't ran my fingers through it yet. This is, you know, I'm kind of afraid actually that I'm just gonna mess it up, but I haven't even washed it or anything. So I'm going to wash that and show you what it looks like wet. Then I'm gonna dry it overnight and then I'll show you what it looks like in my hair, and hopefully it'll blend with my hair and it'll look very natural. So that's basically what the hair looks like. Let me put it up closer so you can see the quality of the hair. And it's not like a black. I would say it's probably a 1B. It's the natural color. So if your hair is really dark, you may have to dye your hair. And so yeah, I'm very pleased with the hair so far. And so now we're going to wash the hair according to the instructions, and then I'll show you the whole installation process. Now this is a shampoo I really like. It's called Aunt Jackie's, and it's a moisturizing and softening shampoo. But there's so many on the market. You can use different kinds. This is just one of my favorites. I'm gonna wash the hair. Now we're going to the next step, which is the conditioner. I'll squeeze out the excess water. As you can see, there's a little bit of shedding here, which it said that's to be expected. So, okay, so now I'm going to do the conditioner. So I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. I'm going to rub a generous amount throughout the hair. Okay, now that my conditioner is all rinsed out, you can see the hair texture wet. It says to now hang it up to air dry overnight. I don't have anywhere to hang this hair up to dry, and so I'm just going to lay it flat on a towel. Maybe that's the wrong thing to do, I'm not sure, but it's a lot of different pieces, and this is one. Let me just take one out so you can see just one piece. Very pretty. Yeah, I don't have anywhere to hang. I probably should hang this up to dry. Anyway, so that's the next step. You're going to hang it to dry, or let it air dry flat, or however you want to dry it. And so after this hair dries, I'll come back and we'll install it to see how this is going to look on me. Okay, so I've dried my hair overnight, and as you can see, I just washed my hair. And let me show you first the hair, how it looks after it dried overnight. So this is what it looks like. I did not put any product in it. I just let it dry just after shampooing and conditioning it. So it looks like that. I love the frizz because that's, I think, will match my natural hair very well. And so I Like I said, I just shampooed my hair, and so I'm about to actually put some product in my hair, detangle it, and get it combed out, and then I will start installing the clip-in so we can see if this is going to work. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the excess water out of my hair, because it's just a little bit dripping all over me. So I'm going to take the excess water out a little bit. And then what I have here is some water in a spray bottle, and I put in some Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner inside of here and make this mixture. I'm going to spray this conditioner throughout my hair and just kind of get that leave-in conditioner in there. And then I'm going to detangle my hair. I'm going to use this wide tooth comb that I use for my hair to detangle. Let me take this towel off. So I'm going to just detangle my hair with this wide tooth comb and make sure that all of the tangles are out. And I want you to see the texture of my hair so you can compare it to your own hair. So you'll know if this is the particular hair that you should buy. So I'm gonna comb through that. I can tell my hair is already drying out a little bit. It feels dry in some places, not as wet, which is fine. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my larger clip-in in the very back. And so my larger clip-ins, they have four clips, okay? It's this wide. So I'm gonna start with this first. Have it ready. I'll put that right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start parting my hair across the back, and I'll just use a rat tail comb to kind of go across like this. It doesn't have to be a perfect part at all, just enough to have a little bit of hair down. So hopefully you can see that part of my hair. Then I'm going to clip my hair up. I'm going to add some defining curl custard by Aunt Jackie's. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there so that my hair will stay curly. So a little bit of that. I'm also going to put in some Don't Shrink flax seed elongating curl gel, and this will help keep your curls longer and elongated and kind of stretch them out. If you have a problem with shrinkage, like my hair length is super long, but you wouldn't know it because when it shrinks a lot. So this will help keep your natural hair at the length it needs to be. So then I'm going to take my clip-in and I'm going to actually spray a little bit of this leave-in conditioner just to kind of dampen it a little bit. I'm going to detangle. And so you can put a little bit of leave-in conditioner on the ends of this if you'd like, so that it's not so frizzy, and then you can put a little bit of the gel on the ends of that.
Perfect. Perfect.
so I'm just going to continue this process all the way through my hair. Hey guys, so I'm back with showing you all of the clip-ins that I put in my hair. I did not even use all of the hair that they gave me. I still have like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So you get a lot of hair. I feel like this is full enough for me. And so I think it blends very well. As you can see, let me turn around so you can see the back of my hair. It blends really good. It's very thick. This is a 20-inch. It's very long. So now I'm going to actually work on kind of laying down my edges a little bit. As you can see right here, I kind of want to make that a little bit smoother. So I'm just going to take some curling gel. I'm just going to put this right here on my edges. And I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to brush my edges down. Just to kind of make it look smooth. I'm not going to worry about like trying to have baby hair or anything like that, but just making this part blend a little bit more right here. Let's see that. See how nice that looks when you slick your edges down. And if you don't like a slick down look, of course, you can just kind of have it more natural if you like. But yeah. And then you want to put a little gel over here on this side just to make this a little more curly. Depending on your hair texture, my hair, like I said, gets frizzy. So I have to put a lot of product in it to make it smooth and to stay smooth. So I am loving how this turned out, and I will do another review of part 2 in about a month or so to let you know how the hair holds up, if it tangles or if it lasts, because right now it is gorgeous. And yeah, I'm very happy with my hair. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more videos on makeup, hairstyles, skincare, and all sorts of things. So thank you for watching, and let me know what you think about my hair.